Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve Jen, Mr. Jen All-in-One, and my channel is all about fashion, luxury, and beauty. So if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe below. That means a lot to me. And because all your support, our channel has over 21,000 subscribers right now. Thank you so much for those of you believing in me and continue to support my YouTube channel. That means the world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today's video is gonna be Louis Vuitton unboxing, and let me show you what I got this time. You are gonna love it. If you don't, oh well. Okay, so I'm really excited about this piece because I feel like I'm not a big Louis Vuitton collector, honestly. I buy what I need, and if anything, I bought it after a couple months. If I don't like it, I will sell them. So, so I don't want to keep like 1,000 pieces in my house. That's just ridiculous. So whatever I have in my house is the item that I use the most, just so you guys know that. Louis Vuitton has changed the envelope to a smaller size like this, 5x7 card. Actually more like a 4x7-ish. And let me show you guys real quick. It still has my SAS business card I purchased on South Coast Plaza, and this is the receipt. I have to say that Louis Vuitton lately, if you want to guarantee an item, you most likely need to pre-order 2 months before the launch day. And when I say pre-order, meaning you pay in full amount before you can get it. So I think they definitely changed that. So this piece, I believe I paid this about 2-3 months ago already, and I just finally got it recently. So I'm very excited to show you guys. So let me open this up right now. You ready to see it? Ta-da! Wait, there's dust back in there. I'm terrible. So let me show you what I got. If you watch and follow my Instagram, you probably already saw this. If you have not followed my Instagram, please follow. There's 2 Instagram accounts. One is called Mr. Jen All-in-One, and that is all about fashion and beauty, fashion and luxury. Skin by Steve Jen, that's all about skincare and beauty product. So 2 different accounts for you to choose from. Alright, so let me show you what I got here right now. Oh my god, look at this. It's the Pouchet Kirigami in 2019 summer collections. The first one I want to show you is a large Kirigami Pouchet. So this is about 9 inches this way and 6 inches height, and about, let's see, it's about like a 1/4 inches width in here. So when you open it, it just kind of folded together as a piece right here, and it is made in France. Let me just get a little closer to show you guys that. Hold on. I don't know if the lighting will work, but you can kind of get an idea that's made in France. And I have to be honest with you, when I first saw the collection, the large monogram on Instagram about 3 months ago, I swear to God, I thought it was somebody found this from Chinatown for knockoff. No, seriously, if you guys feel the same way, I want to hear that. I cannot be the only one thinking of that, right? And I looked through a lot of different pieces they offer. I really don't like it because I don't know, it just seems so cheap in the beginning. But one thing I have to say, social media really brainwash you. So at the end, I kind of feel like, okay, it doesn't look that bad, so I placed the smallest piece I can find, and that's why I purchased the origami. What do you put in this? It's still very questionable for me because I don't really use a large kit. On the website, so you can put in the mini iPad in here or any type of accessory. I also heard people actually they put a chain on this, so be kind of wallet on chain. But I still don't know how you do it because I really don't want to punch the hole here and damage the design. So I don't know how they do it. So if you know how to do it, let me know in the below. I would love to know that. So let's look at this one more time. It's really nice texture. The color, it's actually, it kind of grow on you a little bit, so it's not that bad, but still it's not my favorites, okay? So let's move on to the second piece now. This is the medium piece, and they call it a passport holder. I do use this a little bit more because I put my car key in here and some I don't know, like phone charger when I travel. So, and this size is about 6 inches length, and height is about, let me see, it's about 4.5 inches high here. And you can see the monogram is much more smaller versus a large one. So I think I like this better looking. And this is kind of like a beige color, so it's really pretty. And if you see inside, the reason why they call it Kirigami is because how they fold and make this. So it's a one piece, they fold it different and make a pouch like that. That's the reason why. And let me give you an idea, the sizes. So you put this right here, you can see it's really a big difference. I mean, I still think the large monogram is a little too much for me. I like the smaller one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The baby one is also known for card holder Pouchet, and look at how cute is this. The length is about 3.9 inches, height is 2.8 inches, and let me tell you, I have this one in category. I'm going to show you later. I use that every single day. Oh my god, it is perfect for your credit card and for your cashes in there. So you open it, still same thing for inside. Oh, I found something in here. Oh, in case for those of you who want the model, the number, let me see, can I get better to show you guys. You can scan this if you want to. Okay. So let's see that. Look at this. I absolutely love the white one. There's a lot of texture to it. It's so beautiful. And there's so much little tiny detail. If you look at the buckle right here, there's a Louis Vuitton on here. So it also shows you where you made this product right here. It's France. So let me show you all three together so you can get an idea in terms of sizes. So I'm gonna turn this like the back so you can get it. Okay, so once again, the large Pouchet, it's about 9 inches. The medium one is about 6 inches. The small one is about 3.9 inches. Alright, so I want to show you the Grace Coddington Kirigami Pouchet. This is the first time I bought the Pouchet Kirigami. I really love this particular design. And I will link the original video unboxing for this Pouchet. You can take a look. But I want to give you an idea. So they are exactly the same size. Okay. But look how much more cuter is this. Has a little kitty cat in the back. So when you open it, this is the pop-up store exclusive. They make another version with 3 different colors for the stores, but I was able to find this at a pop-up store in New York, so I was very happy. So they're all in the same colors. Oh, now I have 2. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me show you. So you open this, you see that? I put my car key here. This is my car key. You fit in the pouch here. Okay, and this is the smaller one, and I use for car. And let me show you how much car I can fit in there. You can see all that. Leave a comment below. Let me know how do you like this video today. I'll share with you the Kirigami 2 different style and the unboxing. And I really hope that you enjoyed this episode, Mr. Jen All-in-One. Any feedback, leave it below. It's all good, and I always reply back to you. If you want a faster reply, please don't email me on YouTube because I rarely check that, and so I don't even know how to check that. The best way to communicate with me is either through the comment below the video or just message me directly on my Instagram, because that's something I see every day, so I can reply much more quicker. At the end, I want to say thank you so much for all your support of my social media. That means so much to me. I really appreciate this. If you have not followed all my social media, it's all right here, so you can take a look. And once again, I have 2 Instagram accounts, Mr. Jen All-in-One. It's about fashion and luxury. Skin by Steve Jan. It's all about skincare. It's right over here. And I will see you guys next week, okay? Bye!